That means find projects that you can give kudos to. I really admire blank about your timeline because, or B, I learned from this something. You to now, as well as giving kudos, find something where you think you can give a constructive thing or response to your peer. That means tell them what you don't understand. Maybe ask them why they chose X quote. Or maybe say next time try whatever idea you have that might help them improve their grade on this project. Be kind, be constructive. This is the day you turn this work in, and we've just had a whole round of you guys getting some feedback. On this sticky note, the last sticky note, if you want to, I am now giving you a chance to go up to your work, look at people's feedback, and change or improve one thing on your document based on their feedback.
There's stuff in chronological order. Yeah.
Their use of chronological order is very clear to you.
And also I like how they use like specific evidence and like it matches with the quote. Like if with the quote and like how they said that the quote they match
about it was someone over there was that they were really organized with their work and that their context and explanation was really like specific. Bam!
Love to hear that. Okay.